All right, guys, we're out here hitting the Dudley. We want to start the review on the Dudley 2.0. And let me tell you some things about this bat. Whatever you heard about it, in my opinion, same thing I've heard about is false. They did not put more tackified on the barrel. If anything, I think they put less. It actually doesn't feel as thick as last year's model. And another thing too, a lot of people saying it's the same bat, just painted different. That's a lie. And here's the reason why. If you guys remember, the last year, Dudley's year before, had the tackified going all the way down the handle, way into the grip. Well, they took that away now. Now the tackified starts here, and it goes all the way to the end. Now what that does, since they don't have as much here, it takes away from a lot of the handle weight from the bat. So the bat feels freaking awesome. It feels like a lot of weight's right at the end of this bat. It feels different than last year's model. It is a different bat. The handle feels a little thinner on these guys for some reason, maybe just a hair thinner on the handle of these bats. But anytime you take the weight out of this area on this bat, it just changes the whole swinging weight on it. Now you don't have that much weight here, but a lot of the weight here, so it's going to swing a little faster for you, in my opinion. We're starting a review on it right now, and I'll let you guys know at the end of this video what I think about it. We're going to try to get this bat broke in, and then I'm going to try to do 3 different videos on this, and I'll let you guys know where I'm at, and we're going to start hitting it right now. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, I think it was having to go get all that extra hay before we left. But that's my personal bat.
Yeah,
You can tell the difference.
yeah. And here's the deal. Patriot's got over 600 swings on it. What's that one got?
48
48 swings.
coming into today. So 51.
You can tell the difference between this and that.
And that's 13 inch for us, 12 inch. That should be swinging better than that. So
Yeah.
the fucking carbon in that one, I think.
It's just hard. It's going to be hard to break it in.
Yeah. We've never had a bat, really. We've never had a bat that in 50 swings go that fast.
Nope. Well, they changed something in it.
Dude,
They didn't
don't
just
fucking tell me they didn't change.
they didn't just repaint it.
Yeah.
The barrel feels different. The outside layer feels harder. Like they changed the outside layer. Mike
They
McCarran-
did something to it, Dick.
Mike
And even
McCarran-
if they didn't paint it, and you know this, if you swing with a not painted bat compared to a painted bat, you get different performance. So what if they just put a few coats on it and then or maybe they changed the paint? Come on now. We've never picked up a bat 50 swing fucking.
and you still baronied him on the next pitch.
Yeah, I know.
You see that? The ball just don't come down. The ball does jump up.
Dude, it sounds good. that off. Look at that. That's 300 foot, and you hit that off your fucking back foot, leaning backwards. Yeah, it's a little. You're a little close, Bubba.
See, Kobe, look at it. We never seen. Yeah, people. I didn't see it. Yeah, none of those other guys come out here.
Yeah.
That's the new Dudley Lightning. Look at that.
That's the 30 inch load. Yeah. They changed the barrel 14 inches. No, you heard they changed the end load though. That 27 feels like a 28. I don't wanna. You can get one look at it.
That's
That bat
340.
there's got like 5 swings, 6 swings on it now. 27? Yeah, it's a 27. Ball. Keep making it better. I don't know how. How can they still be 1.21 and make?
Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. Or make it the women's version.
You know what I was. We found two boxes full of all.
Oh, it's good.
We ended up playing back for the championship. Oh, and we were saying all the way to Alabama just to play. Yeah, Doug at that.
10 swings.
Finish them off, man. You want to hit already? No, go ahead.
They swing good.
Breaking pitch too.
Especially when you're.
Board for the day. That's all I.
Same old trunks. That ought to go. All right, guys. We just got through hitting round 1 with the Dudley 2.0. One thing I will tell you about this bat, I don't believe in bats being hot out of the wrapper, but I will say this is the liveliest bat out of the wrapper that I have swung in doing my reviews. It gets out there pretty quick. It jumps off this bat. I cannot wait till we get this bat in around about 400 swings and see what kind of performance I get on it. Everything looks good. It is the liveliest bat I've swung out of the wrapper. Not the hottest, because I don't believe in that, but it's the liveliest. I'm going to see how long it takes us to really open it up, and I'll let you guys know in the next video. This is a good first round. Thanks.